assembly of the pulse unit. I am removing the filler screw from the top, and I already put it in the vise and released the top cap, so I'll just unscrew it. And what I like to do is rotate it horizontally. And remove the bottom, flip it upside down. Now this separator washer, I just take a screwdriver with a magnet and it comes right off. And there is a locating pin and a slot. Now the locating pin is here and the slot is here, and the cam, when assembling it back together, the slot and the cam need to be lined up in a row. Here's the washer that goes on the top. I don't know if you can see that washer, can you? Yeah, there's the washer. So then I'll just push the anvil out of the top assembly. And holding onto the balls on the side, I'll just remove the top. Now there is a check valve. On one side there's a set screw, and on the opposite side there's a check valve on the inside, which is just a small ball bearing. Now notice I'm on a paper towel because you have to assemble this free of contamination. So these rollers assemblies will go out completely, and I usually keep the check valve down, and you can see these rollers slide into the holder sideways. These rollers just are captured. You have to slide them in from the end. And that's that as one. And then the other one I'll just pull out with a magnet. And then the check valve, I will remove the cam first. Here's the cam here. And then rotate it upside down and take a pick. Take a pick and just pop that little bearing out, and there it is there. There's the check valve. And that's basically it. So when it goes back together, it goes back in reverse. So I'll put the anvil so the check valve hole is facing down, and with a pair of tweezers drop that ball in the check valve and keep it in the down position. Then I can insert the cam, and then I rotate it around until the cam is in a position to get the rollers inserted. And then the rollers can go in, and very close tolerances to get these rollers in. There's one. There's the other. And now this is ready to put back in to the end. And then basically it just slides right down in there. You can feel when it's seated. And I'll just take a 3/8 wrench and make sure it is seated. And then in line, the washer, and then the locating pin goes in the slot in line with the cam. Then I'll do the same, and then screw it back together.